Today in this video we will be learning about C++. Um, it's a new language for you, but I'll make sure that you can understand it very well. And further we go into the procedures and the learning part of this tutorial. I'm sure that you will be able to understand how the C++ language works. Moving on. Firstly, we'll start with installing our software, which is mingw. Its spelling goes like MINGW. Okay, so we will be installing the software. The main task of this software is it compiles your C++ code into a .class file, which is then used by your laptop or any computer. You can just generally say it as machine for compiling your code, C++ code, and then running it. Okay, the second task will be installing VS Code. It's an editor which we will be using for typing and typing our instructions, which will be in C++ code, obviously. So, in my opinion, I personally recommend using VS Code for beginners as it is super friendly and easy to use. The UI and the other features, extensions it has are super good. But if you want, or you are if you have used any other IDE that you like, you can just use it. I won't there won't be any issue because they are the most of the work are just same. The environment is different a little bit. Okay, the third part will be the third step which we will be covering up in this video tutorial is installing an extension in VS Code. This extension will help you run your code easily and in a faster way. It just removes all your typing command part and just makes it super easy for you. There are around 2 extensions that we will be installing in during this tutorial. So I hope you will get to learn more from it. And if you have any problem regarding that, you can just Google it or you can just ask me anytime if you want or you encounter any error. Let's get started with our installation part. Okay, so we will be moving on with our first step of the set of our video session, which is installing the software for running our C++ code. The software we will be using for which will support our C++ code will be mingw. You can just type mingw install for Windows, and here you go. This page will come. You can just simply download it from here. After downloading it, this type of interface will be opened in your desktop. Just click on install, continue, and it will do its work. Within seconds, it will complete its installation. Till the time this keeps in the progress, let us move on and download a VS Code editor. Just type VS Code, download in the first one. VS Code, you can use it on Windows, Linux, and Mac. It supports all the operating systems. Here I will be using Windows, so I'm downloading the Windows version. Okay, for now my download has been completed, and I'll go for the installation of VS Code. Yeah, accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Don't forget to click these both paths, all the paths here. Okay, then next, and please check if this part is added. Add to path. Now next, install. Now VS Code is also installing. Till the time, let's check out. Oh, mingw software has also installed it. Continue. Okay, these here are the software packages which will help you run your program. Here you have to just click all the check boxes and select mark for installation. You don't need to think for any other work. Just click on mark for installation for each and every of them. After selecting all of them, just go to installation, click apply changes, and then apply. Okay, let's move on to our VS Code. There you go. This will be the welcome page. Although this section you are seeing here, recent one, I had my VS Code installed earlier, so that's why it is showing this. But congratulations, you installed your VS Code. Okay, so here we are here. I hope all our packages have been installed. So let's move on. to our VS Code. So after we have installed, let's recap what we have done. First of all, we installed the MinGUI application software, which helps in compiling and running a C++ program. And secondly, we installed VS Code, which is a very good editor, which helps you in writing code and also has tons of different and special features for developers to work on it. Okay, now I talked about the extensions that we will be installing here. Some of them are this one. It's a super handy tool you can install, although I have just installed it. Its name is Code Runner. And the second tool I recommend you to install is this type C++. It will give you lots and lots of extensions. And whichever you like, you can install. But according to me, I would recommend you this one specific C/C++ extension pack. It installs all the necessary. Here I have installed it, but I have disabled it due to my other work project. So in here I have enabled it. This extension pack comes with three software with it as a bunch of packages. The first one is C++. The second is C++ theme, and is the third one is CMaker tool. The most important one here we need is the C++ one and the C++ theme. Okay. I hope you all understood what I was trying to able, what I was trying to tell you about the introduction and the installation part. So I will see you in the next video.